Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
Okay, so we use this app called Outdoor Active.
This is rocky as, I'm not gonna lie.
And I'm on top of a mountain, staring at all this beauty.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Okay, so I've just finished Buttertub Pass, and you know, I'm still smiling because I really enjoyed that. But I want to try and see if I can take the Himalayan off-roading. Now, I'm literally going to use an app, and fingers crossed it's going to work. So let's see if we can find something around here, or we can test the Himalayan out off-road. I don't know if this is going to work, but it'll be interesting. Okay, so we use this app called Outdoor Active. This was the route I found earlier on. Let's just go back. I have no idea how to use this properly. Yes. Route here. Route planner. Yeah. Just navigate me there, baby. I'm hoping through Bluetooth that's going to get us there. It's going to go in my pocket. So let's find out if we can get there. Yeah, via directions, if not with stuff, but I don't think it's very far away. So fingers crossed it won't take too long. Am I facing the wrong way? So if I just make sure I'm facing the right way. How's this working? Up this road, turn right. We'll figure it out.
Now, this is the moment that if Quadlock are watching this, and they're interested in sending me their product to test for the channel, or any really good phone mount company that's quick and easy, this is probably the right time, because there's no thing, and this app, if it works together, good promotion, just saying. Anyway, let's get going. So obviously my batteries are getting low. I've smashed my Osmo Action trying to get a shot earlier on, so I am pretty down to that camera, and obviously my other pocket camera, but that's on charge because it's been going all morning filming stuff. So at the minute we've just got a bit of forward facing, but yeah, let's see if this speaks to me at all. If not, I'm gonna have to keep getting out and having a look. Let's get going, people. Let's get going. Oh, it is
70 feet, turn left.
Turn left in 700 and something many feet. Okay, that's cool. That's very, very cool. Oh yeah.
Turn left.
Turning
then
left.
Continue straight for 190 meters. Continue straight for 140 meters.
Okay, continue straight for
In
140.
410 feet, turn slightly right.
Slightly right? I mean down there, yeah? Down there?
Turn slightly
Yes.
right. Then continue straight for 1.4 kilometers.
Ooh. Right, this might actually work. If that does work, if this app gets me to a little bit of off-roading and works, I mean, you can pay for a pro and everything else on it, but if this works well, I'll be impressed.
Continue straight for 1.1 kilometers.
Yes, I am. Right, fingers crossed then this is going to work. I'm going to follow this. Hopefully, we'll get to the start of a little bit of off-roading.
Well, I am on my way to find the off-roading. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I can hear the turn by turn, so that's all good. But I just... look at that. I mean, look at that. The road literally just goes beautifully up there and on top of the hill, and I don't know, it's so picturesque. That is absolutely unreal. That is just just gorgeous. You know, you have to stop for a minute, and then if you can see, the sun is slowly moving towards us as well. So this is just getting better and better and better.
So if you can see the Osmo, it's got the screen protector. It probably keeps it waterproof as well, and it's raining, which is not a good idea, but hey, who cares? If it breaks, time for a new camera. Right, let's go. Let's go chase the sun. Because that's over there and it's started raining here. Literally, look, just there. Perfect sunlight. Got to ride this beautiful road, haven't we? I mean, look at it. Just, if you could have like a motorcycle way into the holy gates, look at that. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning.
You have reached your destination.
Ah, is that the way? That can't be the way, can it? What the heck? Ah, my off-roading plan. Oh, that's down there. Okay, cool. There we go. I was like, where is it? Let's let these 4x4 boys go first. And then we're going to try and tackle that. Well, here we go. The Himalayan down some off-roading in the Yorkshire Dales. And the app worked. It got me to the entrance, but I come up this here and I was like, where is it? Well, it's here. Just had to take a very sharp turn and we're going to be riding over the top of a mountain on a Himalayan. Now, fair enough, it's not India and it's not the Himalayas, but it's Britain and it's a Himalayan and that's a mountain top. Well, it is now anyway, so let's go. Let's see how good you are off-road, big boy. Let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is rocky. Look at it. It is loving it. Excuse me, sheepy. Maram you. Okay, I've got to be honest. This is doing well. You can hear the smash of the rocks hitting underneath on that bash plate. That's what it's all about. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. Woo! Okay, let's go this way around. Let's try and keep it smooth. We are going up. Up and up and up and up and up. Okay, so loose gravel. This baby is soaking it. Ah, sit down for a minute. Oh no, let's stand up because that is rocky. No problem on this bad boy. No problem at all. Yes, come on, man. Way, come on. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Ah. Wow, that is surprisingly good. Let's get up to the peak. Yeah. Let's go. This is rocky as, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Woo! It's just got to keep it true and straight, and you're pretty good. Yes, Himalayan. Yes. Woo! Look at her. So yeah, she is so far amazing. And that is some biggish rocks as well. Come on. Woo! You can hear everything being chucked around in my back box in the back. Hopefully not damaging too much. Oh, yes. Woo! Come on. Whoa, here we go. She is, whoa, rocking it, isn't she? Absolutely rocking it. Oh, it's a gate. Who wants to put a gate in here? Open the gate, go through the gate. Again, this is why I have a sidekick. But why is he not here? Okay, I think the gate opens the other way. That's a bonus for me.
It's just boulders everywhere. We're going to say they're like a metre long. I know they're probably only about 30 centimetres, but we're going to say that they're a metre long because it looks more epic. Okay. That's probably a bad idea. So was that. Poo. Let's go back a bit. Well, come on. Thing is, if I can just reach that, it'd be like the fat person's way of doing it. I wonder if I can go back a bit. This is where we want to reverse, and that way a bit, and I can reach that. Come on. Yes, that's the pie man way of doing it. The pie man way. And look, we've got a nice stone here to put my side stand down on this time. Oh, yes. Never ever say there's not a lazy way of doing things, because I'll find it. Here we go. To be fair, this gate is nice and new, but could be hung a bit better, couldn't it? Right. Forward bound. Forward bound. Whoa. Another biker coming through here. So let them through down the gate. Yes. Let's be nice. Let's let them through. How cool is that? How quick is that? All right, mate. See, that's proper off-roading bikes. But this is the world of the Himalayan beautifulness. I love it. Right, let's go and get the rest of this done. Let go and on. Let's go. Woo! Powering through, baby. Powering through. All right, mate. All right. Oh! Oh! Whoa! There we go. There we go. Woo! This is the life. This is seriously. This is the life. This is the life. I've got to show you this view.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins.
Well, you know what? It might be windy. The sun is out though. The Himalayan is just true to form and killing this track. And I'm on top of a mountain staring at all this beauty. I mean, this bike is just out of this world. It really, really is. But I want to give you a little bit of a safety tip here. I'm talking a humbug, because whenever you get thirsty and you get low on water, bring some board sweets. You know, top tip there. And they're tasty, what's also a bonus.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.